Welcome back to the morning show. It's 7 minutes after 7. With 4th of July celebrations just days away, you're probably already hearing the occasional bang of fireworks.
Joining us live this morning to show us what makes fireworks work is the wise guy, Matt Sellin, an expert at this. Don't try this at home because Matt knows what he's doing, right? Right?
Yes. Hi, Robert. Hi, Matt.
Good morning.
So the key to make something go boom or to burn really, really fast is to have an oxidizing agent built into the stuff. When you light a fire, when you light a piece of wood, it oxidizes sort of slowly because it has to get oxygen from the air, and there's only so much that can get in there. If you mix a material in with your fuel which has oxygen already in it, then that oxidation can happen very quickly. And so an oxidation, from the point of view of a physicist, is just electrons going from one place to another. So what I have right here is I have a mixture of a fuel, which is this sugar, mixed together with calcium chlorate, which is an oxidizing agent which has oxygen already in it. And this stuff burns beautifully, and you can get this going just by putting a few drops of very concentrated sulfuric acid in it, which is what I'm going to do right now. That acts as sort of a catalyst just to get things going. And so you can see you get this nice white hot flame, and it looks sort of pretty. And depending on how you prepare this, if you mix different kinds of metals in with that fuel, you can actually get very nice colors coming out of this thing. So what we have here is we have a Roman candle that's made out of the same stuff, but we've mixed some various kinds of metals in with the metal salts in with this fuel. So I'm going to set that going, and you'll see that it's going to change colors. Okay, so it's sort of white to begin with, and then in a little while it's going to turn, I forget what colors we're going to get, but just keep your eyes on it. And while that's burning, I'm going to prepare the next thing. So right now you have some very rapid oxidation going on inside this test tube. There we go. Now it burned down to the layer beneath, which is the same powder mixed with a kind of metal which now gives it this nice blue color. And as we keep going, eventually it's going to get a nice pink color or red color. There we go. And this is how we make Roman candles. And of course it makes a nice mess too, so you see that? So that was sort of neat. Now, I'm going to move this out of the way, kind of carefully like this, and I'm going to get some really fun stuff called flash powder.
So, Matt, do you save money 4th of July season by making your own fireworks?
No,
the ingredients cost more?
I'm too scared to do that, and I think that's probably a good thing, because I think if I tried to do this myself, I would probably blow myself up. So you maybe want to... Okay, so now that's... Flash powder has an oxidizing agent in it, which is, I believe, the same stuff, this potassium chlorate, but the stuff that gets oxidized here, instead of being sugar, is very, very fine powdered aluminum. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this fuse, I'm going to put the fuse in like that, and then I'm going to light this thing, and we're going to hope for the best. Okay, so we're going to light this fuse. Here we go. Okay, so now this stuff should really make a nice poof, I've been told. It certainly did yesterday when I practiced this. And there should be enough there. The guy said I should only use half that much.
Oh, there it goes.
So here we go. This again, thanks to Jesse Miller for helping me prepare this stuff.
And it's
so that sort of detonated there. Did you see that? So what happens is if you have enough material that burns rapidly and you put it all in one place, you can get this detonation. And of course, if this stuff had been wrapped very tightly inside of a firecracker casing or some kind of thing that kept it from just spreading out and going poof, it would have gone kaboom.
Right. Okay.
And that's how you make firecrackers.
All right, Matt Sellin, our wise guy on the morning show, thanks a lot for the demonstration. And again, a reminder that some of the stuff that you were using is illegal and controlled, and nobody should try this.
Absolutely. We should not... you should never try any of this stuff at home, or you should never try to make gunpowder or anything like that, because you could really hurt yourself.
Yeah. Matt, do you have a question for next week real quick?
Actually, I don't, because I'm going to be up in Canada next weekend.
It's a holiday.
Family, so...
Well,
that's true.
All right, we'll see you in a couple of weeks then. Matt Sellin,
enjoy it.
Our wise guy on the morning show. Have a great Independence Day, Matt. Okay, let's take a look live outside at our Champaign Skycam. It's